I have a rheem pool heater model 266, getting an error code HL2 after the heater runs for about 20 minutes.
Hi. My name is I'm here to help you out. Could you please provide me with the model number of your unit? The HL2 error is typically a high limit fault, but I want to make sure of this first by verifying the model number first.
Jason, it is rheem PM266ANX.
Okay, give me a few minutes to check this and I'll message you right back. Okay, the HL2 is a high limit fault. There are two shown for your unit, number 1 and number 2. They are positioned on the return and supply outlets, number 1 being the return and number 2 being the supply. They are both set to open at 135 degrees. There are quite a few things that can cause this to happen. The most common is scale buildup internally in the heat exchanger, which causes too low a flow through the heat exchanger, thus causing too much of heat transfer to the pool water due to the water moving too slowly through the heat exchanger. Second would be low flow due to filtration or pump issues, again causing low flow through the heater. Third would be a faulty thermostat not turning off at the set point, letting the heater to continually run. But with this you would see the pool temperature much warmer than needed. Fourth would be a faulty high limit switch. Fifth would be a faulty control panel, giving faulty readings from an internal circuit board issue. The first thing I would suggest is taking the water temperature as it leaves the heater heading to the pool. If this temperature is warm enough to trip the limit switch, at 135 degrees plus/, then we are looking at a flow issue. If not, we would be holding the limit switch or control panel suspect as being faulty.
Could you show me where this sensor is located? I would like to try changing that out first, then look into the other options.
Absolutely. I am attaching a link with the manual for your heater. On page 31, the diagram shows the location of both limit switches. They will be mounted to the top of the header where the supply/return piping is connected to the heater. http://cdn.globalimageserver.com/fetch document rh.asks. Name equals digital and millivolt pool spa heaters duplicate. I also see that rheem is using the unitherm governor, U. G, and an automatic bypass on this heater. These devices are controlled by the water temperature and pressure, and will adjust water flow to maintain a more constant volume of water and pressure moving through the heater, in turn giving the capability to compensate, somewhat, to flow issues, like dirty filters and the like, and temperature swings. If either device is failing to open completely or is restricted due to scale buildup or failure in general, this can be our issue as well. The U, G, and auto bypass locations are located on pages 22 and 23.
Any suggestion on how to clean out if it is a scale deposit?
We would need to remove the UG and auto bypass from the header, and usually soaking in vinegar will do the trick. If the scale is very thick, a commercial descaler will need to be used or the part be simply replaced if cost efficient.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.